Hi everybody, so I thought that I would share with you my little project bag. It says on it knit one, purl one. I'm going to be selling these at my craft fair soon, and basically these are a little kit that contain everything you need to make either a neckerchief, like a neck warmer to put around your neck like this. It's not exactly the same as this, but it's very similar. And then you have a button, goes like that on it. So I am going to make one, but I wanted to share with you what I've put in the bags because it's really exciting stuff. So first thing you get is your pattern. You actually get two patterns. You get one for a headband, which goes around your neck and keeps your ears warm. And for people like me who walk the dogs, that is the most useful thing ever. You get a pair of knitting needles, you get the wool, and you also get one of my handmade buttons, because I normally sell this one for £5, but I wanted to put a handmade button in each bag so that you could have a fancy bit on it at the front, you know, make it a bit snazzy. And then inside, all these bags, the little bag things, have been actually recycled from a old tablecloth. So that's what you're going to get. You're going to get your ball of wool, different coloured wools. I've got another one here that you might get. You might get that one. You might get that one. Then your knitting needles. You will get a button that you can use, and you're going to get the written pattern. So the written pattern is my own pattern that I'm giving you, and it's all different colours. So I don't know what bag you will get. You will have to look at the wool as you are in the purchasing in the moment of purchase. You will need to just look at your bag. The only two things that I haven't put in there that you will need are a pair of scissors, not maybe as big as that, but you need a pair of scissors. And you will need a tape measure, or you can use a ruler. You can use a ruler or a tape measure. They're the only two things that I haven't put in there. I have got scissors that I can sell on to you if you need to. But I think most of us have a small pair of scissors lying about, don't we? So, the next video, I will be showing you how to cast on. Because I appreciate not everybody knows how to cast on. And if you're trying out this for the first time, because this pattern is very suitable for beginners. So, next video, I'll be showing you how to cast on. Thank you.